will show you how to connect a BarTender template from the BarTender Cloud Template Library to a Google Sheets database. To begin, we will create a new BarTender document in BarTender Cloud. Go to the hamburger icon at the top left part of the screen to open the navigation menu. Select Manage Files. Create a new folder, or select the folder where you would like the BarTender document to be saved. Select BarTender Template to open the BarTender Cloud Template Library. Add a filter or search to find a BarTender template. Select the BarTender template that you would like to connect to your Google Sheets database. This launches the Template Assistant. Name your new BarTender document. Here you can see the data field names in the BarTender template that can be populated with the values from a database. Click Next. Select Data Entry Forms if you would like to enable, and click Next. Select Google Sheets so that a Google Sheets database can be connected to the BarTender template. BarTender Cloud needs your permission to access Google Sheets, so you will need to sign into your Google account. Once signed in, click Next. Now, select the Google Sheet for this BarTender document. Click Next. Choose the right worksheet for this BarTender document. Check the box if the first row has field names. Click Next. To map your header values from the Google Sheet database to the data fields in the BarTender template, click on Auto Map to Database Fields. This will match all of the header values in your database to the data fields in the BarTender template. Then click Next. Repeat the same action by clicking on the Auto Map button for each remaining group of data fields. Click Finish. Your new BarTender document is now connected to the Google Sheets database and is ready to print. To see the labels populated from the connected Google Sheets database, click Print and Preview. Now you know how to connect a BarTender template in BarTender Cloud to a Google Sheets database. Thank you for watching.